Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to use our 10 frames to help us do doubles and doubles plus 1. So this double is 1 plus 1. That's 2. That's pretty easy. So 1 more is 3. But let's do this one. 8 plus 8. So we're going to put 8 in the 10 frame and 8 more in this 10 frame and then count them all. So if I have 8 and 8, how many do I have? 16. So 1 more would be 17. Good. The next one is 0 plus 0. That's so easy, huh? 0 and 0 plus 1, 1. All right, the next one's a little bit harder. We're going to do 9 and 9. So 9 dots and 9 more dots. This is one of our harder ones to remember. So if we have almost 2 full 10 frames, except for 2 are empty, how many do we have? 18. Very good. So 1 more would be 19. I don't want you to worry about this side or that part. Let's just go on to the back. So we are going to do a doubles fact and make a doubles plus 1 for each number. So if the number is 10, what would the doubles fact be? 5 plus 5 equals 10. So to make a doubles plus 1, we would still use 5, but we would do 6 because that's 1 more, and 1 more is 11. See how that works? Okay, so for 2, we're going to do 1 plus 1 is 2. Then we're going to make a plus 1. So we're going to do 1 plus 2 equals 3. Our next number is going to be 6. So what's our doubles fact for 6? It's 3 plus 3 equals 6. So if we wanted to do a plus 1, we would still keep the first 3, but then we would change this to a 4. And now it's going to be what? 7. Okay, do you remember what 2 numbers make 14? 7 plus 7 is 14. So if we need to do a doubles plus 1, we're going to do 7 plus 8 equals 15 because we're just putting 1 more. This next one is so simple. 0 plus 0 is 0, right? We just do 3 zeros. So we keep the zeros the same, but then we're going to do a 1. So what is 0 plus 1? Yeah, it's 1. Next problem, the answer is 12. So we're going to do 6 plus 6 because that equals 12. Now, we're going to keep it the same, only just do a plus 1. So we're going to do 6 plus 7 equals 13 because we're just going 1 bigger. The next answer is 16. So what 2 numbers do we add together to make 16? 8 plus 8 equals 16. So we keep the first 8, but the second 8 we make it 9, and then it's 17. All right. We have 4 more problems. You're doing a great job. What 2 numbers make 8? 4 plus 4 is 8. So we're going to keep the 4, take it and make it 5. And now it's 9. The next one's a really hard one. What 2 numbers make 18? 9 plus 9 equals 18. Now we're going to do it 1 more. So 9 plus 10 equals 19. This one, next one is the very hardest one. 10 plus 10 is 20. So now we're going to do 1 more. 10 plus 11 is 21. All right, the last one's so easy. 2 plus 2 is 4, right? So let's write the near doubles for that. 2 plus 3 equals 5. That was a lot of work, boys and girls. You did a great job. When you're all finished, put it in the basket and start on your dream box.